Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crash errors, including error codes 0x0, 0x1, 0x9, and 0x3. Whether the game crashes on launch, shuts down mid-game, or keeps throwing random error codes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to stabilize the game and get back to playing. First, open your Windows search and type check for updates, then click on it. Once the Windows Update page opens, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Look for the option that says Receive Updates for other Microsoft products and make sure this is turned on. After that, go back to the main Windows Update page and click Check for Updates. Let Windows fully update your system, because missing updates can often cause game crashes. Next, open Search again and type Xbox. Right-click on the Xbox app and select App Settings. Scroll down until you see the options for Terminate and Reset. Click Terminate first, then click Reset and confirm by clicking Reset again. This clears corrupted app data that can trigger Black Ops 6 crash errors when launching or updating the game. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable, close any background apps you don't need, and temporarily disable overlays like screen recorders. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent repeated crashes. Now, open Search once again, and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters, find your graphics card, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and allow Windows to install the best available version for your device. Once that's done, it's also a good idea to update your GPU drivers directly from the manufacturer's software and check for updates. Keeping GPU drivers fully updated is extremely important for preventing crash-related error codes. After completing all these steps, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6 again. You should now be able to play without running into error codes 0x0, 0x1, 0x9, or 0x3. It's also a good idea to keep both Windows and your graphics drivers updated regularly. This helps maintain long-term stability. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crash errors without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their gaming experience a little smoother?